Hey guys, level 2 here. Alright, we're just gonna do a quick trade plan for today. We're looking at two levels right now. We in one live trade, one single contract. Um, Most likely I might just be doing this 5 minutes. Got some stuff to do today. Um, so let's get to this. Alright, let's first look at the calendar. We have nothing much in the calendar. Small stuff overnight from Europe. Um, let's see. We have FOMC speakers, especially Powell at 9. Um, More or less, we have bounce or rate cut talks back on the board again. The Fed does what it wants, what it wants. Alright, so the rate cuts on the board, that is something market to look at. Market might be pricing some of that. So the reason we got into the 69 sell is so yesterday we got both sides of the market. We were looking to have a major sell at value area low or high. Based on the open, we have got the 34s overnights, got the bounce to the upside. As usual, we look to take profits based on the volatility analysis, which is 1 to 1 based on volatility, right? So we got out of the market at 42s right here on the retest of 42s, right? So what we looked for was test of value area high weakness, look for a pushback down through value, got that and then some, got a weird spike late in the day which brought you back. Previously when we see the open, we got the open bounce, didn't quite reach value area high, so we attempted the value area low trade. We got stopped out with a 6 point loss because we got market open bounce follow through. We got the secondary two contracts, took the two contract, traded it straight through. Actually got this sell here later in the evening, which is breakout, the same idea as the first entry at 52s. Got the sell to break another victory and bought late in the market and took out 7 points, which was a very good day for us. So now we're looking at live in the market now. There isn't a lot of news coming out pre-market, so market will act as it wants this morning. Nothing big to push it. So what we see here is a zero point 0.5 deviation based on the way I calculate it. You guys should know by now how I do calculate deviation levels. So from 69 was look to be the major sell pointers. Deviation is at 68 and the entry was at 69 based on high volume node last swing high, and looking at the risk to make sure that we behind the swing, the previous swing high through that. So if we do get punch to the upside, we'll be able to have that amount of risk in the market, which is 7.25 points. So 69 to 70, I could either get it break out from here and go to the 85s. 85s is a big target for the the bulls in the market today. That was last week's major POC, which is point of control for all of it for the entire of last week. So be careful on how you take this trade. I have two contracts, but my risk allows me to take two contracts on it. So you're looking for a one-to-one trade basically on the initial for the initial push to the market open. If we do see lows today, I'd be very interested in looking at settlement for a small buy because we have limited risk to the back end of it. So in the region of just below settlement, looking for a bounce on the open. If we do reach there by London close, which is 11:30 a.m. So we have scenario 1 in action. Scenario 2 would have been open test bounce. So if we get a test bounce here for London Open, you're looking at New York to London close at somewhere in this area. You would have that one deviation coming into play, and then look for 1.5 to 1 or 2 to 1 on your risk to reward. Looking back for UA tests here, so looking at cells at 69s and 85s on your in range. Wouldn't be doing a lot of live trading for the rest of the week. I have some stuff to prepare, so might just record it or something, or give an update this afternoon. If you're looking for bulls in the market, you see the big dip this evening. Look for the 32s, the retest of the 32s. Funny how structure was built yesterday. We ended up in the same place we started, but we more or less hit both sides of valid entry points. So be careful of breakouts. Today I might have a lot more volume in the market. So trade small, trade smart, guys. Um, should be back. So if you have any questions on stuff, just post it on the YouTube channel, on the chat or something. So that is it for slash ES. Let's have a look at oil. So this would be a value of yesterday. So let's look at oil. Oil gave us more or less an entry sell yesterday that was not. I wouldn't be willing to pass up. We got this. We took the sell at 54.11s and then at a small lower price. So we took the price node at 54.11, got the breakout, and took a lot of profits off of the market yesterday on oil. So right now we're sitting back in range. If you're looking for value, look for a retest of. We're looking, if it's a bearish move, we're more or less looking not to get into buys today. You might get a buy at a equal measured move that we have set up on the live trade. So the live trade is set up on this equal measured move from swing low, assuming I swing low to swing high, right at 51.45s to 50s. So 51.50s will be in play for us today. If we do see it, then we might be able to buy, and on the sell side we're looking for a return to node structure at 53.40s. So 51.50s is your buy zone. But we're more looking for return to here, because we had the big mobile move yesterday, got shut down. Looking for the equal measure move to the lower end, looking for a return to structure on the upper side. This is a 15-minute chart, so you're looking for your structure and your structure node. Be careful on oil. Oil will be running today. Volume may have increased overnight. I need to check that still. So you're looking for, the assumption is this will be a equal measured move today. Wouldn't be selling beyond the buying beyond or selling beyond test of those. If you're looking for a higher price, 54s more than likely might reach here unless we see major bulls on the market today. So that's what we have for you today. It is now 8:54. I need to probably have my jump across on Stop Step YouTube channel and just put my 2 cents in. Might post across a couple of stuff on the Facebook page or something. I need to take care of some stuff today. Okay, guys, bye.